Hey guys, this is Ishita here and you're watching Tech with Ishu. So guys, today I will tell you that how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. And I made this video because Instagram's official app does not give us an option of deleting our Instagram account permanently. Yes, we won't disable our account, we will delete our account, and for that you need to watch the video till the end. So guys, let's get started. First of all, open your Chrome browser. Now type in the search bar delete Instagram account permanently. Now click on the first link, that is how do I delete my account, Instagram Help Center. Now click on the delete your account page. Here you need to log in to your Instagram account, like I am logging in into Ishita New. Now you will find this interface. Now you need to give the data according to the questions, like why are you deleting your account. If there is any reason you can mention among this all, and I'm just selecting like created a second account. Then to continue, please re-enter your password. You need to re-enter your password because it is assuring that you are genuinely deleting yourself, your account, and no one else is hacking your account and trying to delete it. Now click on this red button, permanently delete my account. Okay. And now your account is deleted. You don't need to wait for 14 days or something like that. Your account is actually deleted from the Instagram, and I will prove it to you by showing a live demo. Like, go to Instagram. I actually have logged in it, so let's try if I can log in it or not. Error, because the account has been permanently deleted from Instagram. Thank you guys for watching the video, and do like, comment, and subscribe my channel.